Hey, what's up, guys? Um, in this video, I wanted to talk about my Dodge Avenger. It's a 2011, by the way, and I wanted to make this video because I recently had a problem with this car, and I mean, it's not an old car, and I saw that it happens a lot to these type of cars, to Dodge, and well, when I was going through the problem, I looked up YouTube videos to see what I can do to fix it, and anything that would help me out. And the problem with what happened to me 2 days ago, I was out. I went out to the street, to do some stuff, and next thing you know, my car wouldn't turn on. So I was paranoid. I didn't know what was going on with it. So yeah, anyways, like, as you guys can see, like, my keys are in here, and this is what happens when you turn it on. When I turn the key, my stereo will turn on, my dashboard will turn on, everything will turn on, like if everything was good. But when you turn the key, this is what's gonna happen. It dies. You could turn it again and it will just die again. Everything will turn on, but it won't go nowhere. So I was reading some comments in another video, and some people said that you would just need to buy this. This is called a starter relay, and I bought it. It's here. It cost me like $20. This is what it looks like. But there was a problem. It wasn't this. So I spent $20 for nothing. The problem was the battery. So I'm telling you guys, you guys can jumpstart your car and it will work. But then again, make sure you guys buy a new battery or go charge it or something, because that's the only problem. Some people said that it was this, but it's not. And you're just gonna go and waste $20. Now I have to go and return it, get my $20 back. But yeah, you guys try. Look, I'm gonna try to do it again. It won't even turn on. See, it automatically turns off. See? Well, yeah, you guys, check the battery. Make sure you guys go check it, get it, make sure check the battery first before you do anything, because it might just be that, and if you take it to AutoZone, they could charge it for you for free. So before you guys go and waste any money, try checking the battery, you guys. Okay? Well, hopefully this video helps. And if it does, leave a comment, like it, and subscribe, if you want to. But yeah, leave a comment and let me know if it worked for you.